fine. You're going to look in your comments.
I know.
And there'll be people just screaming at you.
That's okay. Hey, it's better to be, loved or hated rather than be indifferent. So.
Okay, Dale Earnhardt.
That's right. Dale Earnhardt's the one that said that. He did say that. Rather be hated than not have any feeling at all.
Well, he had hated covered for sure.
Then Junior was saying, "You can't say that about my daddy. They all loved him." No, they didn't.
He acts like Bristol in '99's the first time he ever heard anyone upset with him.
No, that's not true.
Oh, they never talked to him like that.
In fact, Dale, Dale Jr. that is, I know you'll never see this video, but I was there at Talladega in '99 when you were a rookie, and your daddy was using the F word and cussing you up one side and down the other, couldn't figure out what the heck you were doing. I was listening to it on the scanner, and I'm like, dude, I can't believe anybody talked about their son like that. Anyone else there at Talladega in October of '99 heard that same thing?